Parkinson's Research Databases, PRDb, helping Parkinson's research data come together. Our vision is to create an online research database linking existing Parkinson's research data and allowing researchers to share their clinical data to enable collaborative work. So, what motivated us to do this? Well, first we wanted to facilitate our Parkinson's researchers with access to data from all Parkinson's research studies. This will allow for cross-referencing of data in similar fields of Parkinson's research, as well as increase the power of analysis and outcome results. We believe that collaborative work is the way forward to finding a cure. PRDb provides solutions to finding data on all Parkinson's research in one place for a searchable catalogue, and most importantly allows data sharing amongst researchers. The following presentation will take you through our proposed demo website for Parkinson's research databases and its exciting features. Please note that this is only a demo website and all your feedback will be valuable to us. So please leave us your name and email address if you would like to get involved in this new exciting concept.
In order to contribute to PRDb, you'll need to register a profile. You can do this by clicking the Register link in the top right. You'll need to agree to the terms, which explain that data uploaded to PRDb will be used by Parkinson's UK to help us find a cure. To continue registration, you'll need to choose a username with at least 3 characters, all of which should be lowercase. Your username can't contain spaces. Then enter your full name, your email address, and choose a password. Once registration is complete, you are taken to your dashboard. You can enter further information by clicking Edit if you so choose. The data in PRDb is organised into repositories. You can create a repository for your data by clicking Create Data Repository. In the first instance, all that is needed to create the repository is a title. This could be the name of the study the data came from. I'm going to choose Levodopa Study Data as my title. This is the main page for the newly created repository. From here I'm invited to upload data to the repository or link to data already found elsewhere on the internet. Before I do that, I'm clicking Edit to add some basic information. I can choose a license, in this case publicly available subject to terms, and I can enter a description for my repository. I'm also going to go to Groups and Tags so that I can categorize this repository by a keyword, levodopa. This will make it easier for other people to find this repository later on. I save my changes and you can see the page has been updated with the new description, the license and the tag. Now I want to upload some data. In PRDb, the files you upload or link to are called resources. To add a resource, I click Edit again, and this time I click on Resources. I can link to a file, link to an API, or upload a file. I choose the file, in this case data.csv, and click Add. Once the file is uploaded, I get an option to add some extra information. I'm going to add a description, the format, and I also know the MIME type, so I'm going to fill that in too. I then save my changes. As you can see, the resource has now been added. The whole point of PRDb is to make it easier for researchers to find and work with existing data. There are 2 main ways to find the data you might be interested in. The first is to use the search. I'm searching for levodopa. As you can see, there's 15 repositories found, and the one I entered earlier is the top. I can click it to enter the repository and download the data. There's the file. Another approach is to use tags. If you click on tags, you'll see that there's lots of different keywords that the different repositories are organised by. Again, I'm going to search for a tag called levodopa, and I'm going to choose the middle tag. There are 7 repositories in PRDb that have been tagged with levodopa, including our one which we tagged earlier. If I click on more information, I can go through and see more about this resource. In particular, for simple data types like the CSV file that I uploaded, I can have a preview grid of the information the file contains. Now let's imagine this wasn't my study data. I've come to this site and I found this levodopa study data, and I'd like to apply for access. To do so, I can click Apply for Access. This takes me to a form which I can complete. I explain why I need access to the data, and I click Submit. If you have any feedback on what you've seen in this video, we'd really like to hear from you. Feel free to email prdb@parkinsons.org.uk.